Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. When this me Ase, and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyle. With beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, and many much more stylish ideas, latest collection. Of low maintenance hairstyle for girls. For women's, for mature women's, you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of hairstyling. In low maintenance, fine hairstyle, too short, wave and curls on hair, curly hairstyle. Messy hairstyle, different collection of spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut, and different ideas of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, deep layered. Some ideas step, undercut, And the latest type of cut, choppy haircut, notching haircut. Cropped haircut. Very beautiful ideas of undercut and shaved art in low maintenance. So beautiful ideas of eye-catching ideas of hair dye. Blonde color, burgundy color. Brown, dark brown, black color, grey color. Some ideas, funky colors. And beautiful ideas of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky color. So beautiful ideas of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful hair dye for girls, for women. You've seen this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice. Very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. You look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support or help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. Once again, I request you, if you are not subscribed my channel, so please make sure you do subscribe my channel and like my video. So friend, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.